Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced, this error right over here. It's the DLL was not found. So if you find reinstalling the program a little bit hassle, no worries, this video is for you. So before we do begin with this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to fixing. So the first thing that we need to do is by going on your settings. Just go ahead and click on your start menu and then click on security right over here, Windows security. Right over here, click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down and click on protection history. So in the section in protection history, just go ahead and click on any Steam related or even Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resync related. Click on action, or right over here, click on action and then restore or allow. Once done, go ahead and relaunch your game and see if the problem persists. If the problem persists, we have one last solution. The last solution is by going on your browser. Go ahead and launch any browser that you'd like and then basically type in Visual C+ redistributable right over here. Once done, the first link should be the official Microsoft link. Just go ahead and click on it. Scroll down until you see this section with the second table with x86 and 64-bit. Just go ahead and download both of this just to make sure. What I do is basically download one of these. So for me, it's 64-bit. Click on this. Once downloaded, it should pop up right over here. Once downloaded, go ahead and do the installation process. Once done, restart your PC and your game should be fixed and you can go ahead and launch the game successfully. Now, if that does not work, one last thing that I'd recommend is by going on your Steam right over here, click on library, right click on your game, properties, installed files, and verifying the integrity of game files, as the error is missing game files, so that will be fixed. This fixes any corrupted file that might be missing. Go ahead and wait for it to finish. As you can see, it is loading up. There you go, all files successfully validated. Go ahead and close it and relaunch your game and it should be fixed. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.